Hi guys, today we are learning how to unblock someone on Snapchat. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to unblock someone. Once Snapchat opens, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile, where you can access your account settings. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner. This will open your Snapchat settings, where you can manage your privacy and account preferences. Scroll down through the settings until you reach the Privacy Controls section. Tap Blocked Users to see the complete list of people you've blocked on Snapchat. Find the person you want to unblock and tap the X icon next to their name. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision before removing them from your blocked list. Finally, tap Yes to confirm the action. The person will be unblocked immediately, and you'll be able to add them or interact with them again on Snapchat. And that's how you can easily unblock someone on Snapchat. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple Snapchat tutorials.